over here, finest swords in the world, make over from the traditions of the country's self-love. The finest rugs money can buy. Would you like to drink? We have the finest dresses here.
Come and see the wonder, the skinniest man in the world.
Or come taste the food. Come and see Mr. Muscle lift the wagon with his teeth. The healthiest Brussels sprouts known to man.
Look at the weird clothes they're wearing. It looks like they're not buying anything.
What will you buy? We buy the truth.
I think they're insulting. Those guys are weird. Are you just gonna let them talk to you like that?
We bring glad tidings from the King of Kings. You can now be reconciled to God through Jesus. He took upon himself the sins of the world, which include yours and mine. He nailed those sins to his cross. Jesus gave his life. 3 days later he rose from the grave. Yeah, he has overcome. Now to all who come by faith he gives his righteousness. Repent and believe the good news. Ask for forgiveness, ask him to save. And you will be born again and have eternal life.
You're not gonna buy anything, you need to leave. You're disrupting my customers.
They haven't done anything wrong.
You're disturbing our peace. They ought to keep those things to themselves.
Kick them, slap them. Somebody call the cops. Police, police. Seize them. You have the right to release. All rise. Court is now in session under the Honorable Judge Hager. Christian and faithful charged as follows. These men are enemies of trade and disturbers of the peace. They have made divisions in the town and won over many to their dangerous opinions and contempt of the law and of our friends. Well, Mr. Faithful, you have heard the charges. How do you plead? Only set myself against that which opposes the law, him who is higher than the highest. Prince, you speak of is Satan, the enemy of our Lord, and I defy him and all his devils. Here, here, let the prosecution call forth its witnesses.
I call to the stand Mr. Envy, Mr. Superstition, and Mr. Fame Hungry.
Yes, this man has been disrupting our trade with his talk.
The nerve of this man! I heard him say that our religion was useless and such by which a man could not please God. We're saying of his my Lord, your lordship very well knows what necessarily would follow, to wit that we still worship in vain and are yet in our sins and finally shall be damned. And this is that which I have to
This
say.
man railed on our Prince Beelzebub.
Gentlemen of the jury, Mr. Blindman, Mr. Reject Good, Mr. Lovelust, Mr. Live Loose, Mr. High Mind, Mr. Hate Light, Mr. Liar, Mr. Enmity, Mr. Headstrong, Mr. Cruelty, Mr. Hold Grudge, and Mr. Malice, have you reached a verdict? May I speak a few words in my own defense? Whatsoever laws or customs of people fly against the word of God, these are diametrically opposite to Christianity. In the worship of God is required divine faith, but there can be no divine faith without revelation of the will of God. Therefore, whatsoever is thrust into the worship of God, not agreeing with his word, cannot be done but by human faith, which sort of faith is not profitable to eternal life. Silence, silence, order in the court.
We find this man faithful to be
He is a rogue,
guilty
he's
against the
guilty.
laws and customs
Why
of our
is such a
town,
fellow from the
to
earth?
death in the most cruel manner thought possible.
Yes,
He is
let
to
him
be whipped,
die the
to be
death,
buffeted,
to be pierced with swords, to be cut and then burned at the
Do
stake.
not fear, my friend Christian. Lord be with you.
And with you, my brother.
I will see you at the celestial city.
Hit him.
Oh Lord Jesus, please strengthen faithful in the tortures he's going through. Second Corinthians 4:17. For our light affliction, which is but for a moment, worketh for us a far more exceeding and eternal weight of glory, while we look not at the things which are seen, but at the things which are not seen. For the things which are seen are temporal, but the things which are not seen are eternal. For we know that if our earthly house of this tabernacle were dissolved, we have a building of God, a house not made with hands, eternal in the heavens.
And now, Christian, now that you've seen the death of your friend faithful, we will set you free, but we charge you not to preach or to teach anymore in this name.